Based in the metro Atlanta area, JosiahKids is a non-traditional leadership school committed to the mission of raising the next generation of service-minded leaders. From September through May, JosiahKids hosts a myriad of educational classes and events that include quality guest speakers, community service events, panel discussions, educational workshops, and leadership classes, all taught in a faith-based environment for young people between the ages of 7 and 17. JosiahKids is also the home of the Buford Harvest, an annual youth leadership award ceremony that honors the outstanding achievement of young students and teens from all around the globe. The mission of the Buford Harvest is to strengthen and unify our communities and to celebrate and inspire the next generation of service-minded leaders. Rather than wait until children are silenced by suicide, trapped in risky behaviors and costly interventions, JosiahKids is on a preventative mission to raise the next generation of service-minded leaders. We're passionate in this belief that it is much easier to build strong children than to repair broken men. Since September of 2018, we have asked you to join us on the mission of raising the next generation of service-minded leaders. Thanks to your belief in our work and your generous giving, we are doing just that. Here are some of the amazing things that you've helped us to achieve. We've hosted more than 40 guest speakers, quality professionals, such as police chiefs, lieutenants, founders, pediatricians, counselors, neurosurgeons, attorneys, authors, business executives, musicians, CEOs, entrepreneurs, psychotherapists, missionaries, scientists, and artists who have all partnered with us to empower our community of young leaders. Our team has invested more than 215 hours educating and equipping our students through the avenues of dance, music, discipleship, team discussion, skills and drills in basketball, entrepreneurial, and educational workshops. Hours that are helping our students set good goals, develop their leadership abilities, and maintain a growth mindset. Through the power of service and volunteerism, our dedicated staff and committed board members have put in the work that has yielded a 300% increase in enrollments, serving 4 times more the number of students we welcomed into our program when we first opened our doors in September of 2018. At our annual Youth Leadership Award ceremony, the Buford Harvest, JosiahKids has had the absolute pleasure of recognizing 28 different honorees from all around the globe for outstanding achievements in the categories of servant leadership, innovation, community involvement, athletics, courage, passion, and various genres of the arts. And because service is at the core of our mission, JosiahKids has continued to prioritize annual community service events for our students and their families. We've served the Duluth Co-op through student-led neighborhood food drives. Also, raking, mopping, painting, planning, sorting, wiping, vacuuming, hauling, dusting, so beautifully serving an organization that serves the needs of our community all year round. So, why do we do this? JosiahKids knows firsthand from the heartbreaking story of our founders, Newton and Marlene Miner, that anything can destabilize the life of a happy child at any given moment. Sometimes the factors are sudden. Other times it is a slow fade. Cancer, abuse, abandonment, rejection, a tragic accident, addiction, bullying, terrorism, violence are only a few reasons that can trigger the downward spiral of a young, promising life. And so, ours is a preventative mission. A mission that bids each of us to join hands to build a fortified wall so strong, miles before the steep cliff of setbacks, risky behaviors, and expensive interventions. We want you to be a part of this mission. As a mission investor, your commitment will only strengthen the wall of our promise. A promise that we will journey with our community of young students through the joys and challenges of childhood and help them transition into adulthood happy, supported, and empowered to make a meaningful life as well as a meaningful difference. Please visit our website today at JosiahKids.com and click on the red seal that says, Join the Promise. We hope to see you soon.